Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your API integration with Zapier, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zapier account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Zaps section on the dashboard. Click on the Make a Zap button to begin creating your integration. Choose the trigger app that you want to start the process with. Search for and select your desired app from the list provided. Follow the prompts to connect your app account to Zapier. Specify the trigger event that will initiate the workflow. Test the trigger to ensure that it's working correctly. Next, move on to the action app where you want to send the data. Again, search for and select the app you want to use. Connect your action app to Zapier by following the provided instructions. Select the action event that corresponds with your goals. Map the fields from the trigger app to the action app. Double-check that the data from the trigger aligns correctly with the desired fields. Test the action to confirm that the integration works as intended. Adjust any settings if the test does not pass. Once everything is functioning smoothly, name your Zap for easy reference. Turn on your Zap to activate the integration. Monitor the performance of your Zap through the dashboard to ensure it's running effectively. If any issues arise, revisit the settings to troubleshoot. Consider adding filters or paths to refine your automation further. Explore other available integrations to enhance your workflow even more. Finally, document your setup for future reference or team training. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.